Have you ever scrolled through social media and felt that uneasy pit in your stomach, the thought that everyone seems richer, happier, and further ahead than you? It's the vacation photos, the brand new cars, the luxury dinners that make you wonder, am I the only one struggling to figure this out? Did I miss some secret handbook on how money really works? The truth is, appearances are often a carefully crafted illusion. What looks like effortless wealth can be hiding layers of debt, hidden sacrifices, or advantages you never saw. And while the performance of wealth has become louder than ever in today's digital age, the reality is far more complicated and far more human. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain. We'll explore the myths that social media feeds us about money, the trade-offs people never reveal, and the psychology that separates real wealth from the appearance of it. And by the end, you'll see why comparing your life to someone else's highlight reel is not only unfair to you, but also completely misleading. If that resonates with you, make sure to subscribe, because here we don't chase fake wealth, we build real financial freedom. Part 1: The Debt Illusion. Let's begin with one of the biggest hidden truths: debt. At this very moment, 1 in 3 Americans carries credit card debt. For many, it's become so normal that they barely even think of it as debt anymore. It's just a way of life. The card swipes feel like free money, a way to live fully today and let the future take care of itself tomorrow. But tomorrow always arrives. And when it does, the interest rates 20, 25, sometimes even 30% turn those purchases into far more than they seemed. That $100 dinner wasn't $100. With interest, it becomes $150, maybe $200, dragged out over months or even years. The tragedy is that debt convinces people they're living well, when in reality they're buying chains that tie them to future stress. It's not freedom, it's a performance borrowed against tomorrow. Part 2 of the side hustle factor. Another illusion comes from side hustles. Around 40% of Americans today work extra gigs, earning an average of $800 a month on top of their regular job. On the surface, this looks like wealth. It pays for vacations, new clothes, or the kind of fun money that shows up on Instagram. But here's what the photos don't reveal: the lost evenings, the weekends spent working instead of resting, the birthdays skipped because of a delivery shift. The extra money creates the illusion of financial abundance, but it's often bought at the cost of time, our most precious and irreplaceable resource. This doesn't mean side hustles are bad. For many, they're a lifeline. But the polished surface hides the grind beneath it. And without seeing both, the comparison is incomplete. Part 3: Trade-offs and hidden sacrifice. Every financial choice is a trade-off. What looks like luxury in one area usually means sacrifice in another. Think of the friend who always seems to be traveling, posting photos from Paris, Bali, or New York. What you don't see is the thrift store wardrobe, the old phone with a cracked screen, or the peanut butter sandwiches eaten day after day to make those trips possible. Or the person with the dream home, perfectly decorated and magazine-worthy. Behind the scenes, they may be living on the simplest meals, skipping nights out, and budgeting down to the last penny. The shiny objects we see are only half the story. The other half, the sacrifices, the compromises, are hidden in the shadows. Part 4: The performance of wealth. And this brings us to one of the most deceptive forces of all, the performance of wealth. In today's culture, many people are spending money not to live better, but to look better. Social media thrives on appearances. The perfect outfit, the luxury coffee, the vacation sunset. But nobody posts the sleepless nights about credit card bills or the stress of juggling overdue payments. A single photo of avocado toast might tell the story of abundance, but outside the frame could be a mattress on the floor in a cramped apartment. Here's the paradox: the loudest displays of wealth often come from those with the least stability. Meanwhile, those who've built real, lasting wealth have no need to prove it. They're living quietly, driving older cars, and wearing clothes chosen for comfort, not status. True wealth whispers, fake wealth shouts. Part 5: Different starting lines. Another truth we rarely acknowledge is that not everyone begins from the same place. Some people step into adulthood debt-free because their parents paid for college. Some move back home rent-free, saving thousands of dollars each year. Others receive generous gifts, a down payment for a house, or even just small amounts of help that add up over time. And then there are those who begin their adult lives already weighed down by student loans, medical bills, or the misfortune of graduating into a recession. The starting lines are not the same, and the differences compound over time. From the outside, it might look like one person is simply better with money. But often, what we're really seeing is an invisible advantage that makes the game far easier. Comparing without knowing those starting lines is like comparing a marathon runner who started at mile 10 with one who began at the starting block. Part 6. Financial Fragility. Even more sobering is the fragility behind the curtain. Studies show that a large share of Americans cannot cover a $1,000 emergency without borrowing. That means one unexpected medical bill, one car repair, or one broken appliance could push them into crisis. And yet, many of these same people are projecting images of luxury online, new shoes, fancy meals, weekend getaways. On the surface, it looks like stability. Beneath, it's a house of cards. Financial fragility is the silent truth hidden behind curated appearances. And it's a reminder that wealth isn't defined by what you see, it's defined by what you don't see: the savings account, the investments, the margin for emergencies. Part 7. Mindset and Psychology of Money. So what really separates those who build lasting wealth from those who only perform it? It isn't just about income. It's about mindset. For many, money is treated as something to be spent immediately, a source of instant gratification. But real wealth builders see money as a tool, a worker. Every dollar saved or invested becomes a small employee that quietly multiplies over time. At first, the growth is invisible. But years later, those small decisions create freedom, independence, and peace of mind. I once knew someone who always looked rich: designer clothes, a luxury car, always picking up the check. In reality, he was juggling multiple credit cards, moving balances just to keep from collapsing. The performance of wealth kept him trapped. Meanwhile, others, living simply, almost invisibly, were building real security. Part 8. Family Money and Stealth Wealth. We can't ignore another hidden factor: family money. Many people receive quiet support: a parent paying bills, covering insurance, or stepping in with financial gifts. From the outside, it looks like they've figured everything out. In reality, they're playing life with cheat codes while others grind it out in hard mode. This is what some call stealth wealth. It's not always flashy. Sometimes it's invisible. But the advantage is real, and it changes outcomes dramatically. Without knowing this context, comparison becomes not just unhelpful but unfair. Part 9. Money, Happiness, and Social Pressure. Finally, we come to the question: does all this spending actually make us happy? Society tells us that saving is sacrifice and spending is joy. But the truth is the opposite. Research shows that savers, even modest savers, report higher levels of happiness and lower levels of stress. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about building a foundation that lets you breathe. Advertising and social media play on our weaknesses, fueling FOMO and competition. We spend to look successful, but the approval is fleeting. The stress, however, lingers. True wealth doesn't seek applause. It doesn't need validation. It simply creates the quiet assurance that you are safe, stable, and free. So, here's the takeaway. The next time you feel the sting of comparison scrolling through your feed, remember, most of what you see is performance. The smiles, the outfits, the vacations, they may be real in the moment, but the financial story behind them is often fragile, hidden, or fueled by debt. You are not behind. You are not failing. You are simply seeing illusions and measuring them against your reality. And that's never a fair comparison. Instead of chasing appearances, build substance. Invest in your future self. Value peace of mind over likes and applause. Because real wealth isn't found in how others see you, it's found in how secure you feel when the world grows uncertain. True financial freedom isn't glamorous. It's not loud. It's quiet, steady, and deeply powerful. And once you experience it, you'll realize that no photo, no performance, and no illusion can compete with the comfort of genuine security. If this message spoke to you, I'd love for you to subscribe. Together, let's stop performing wealth and start building it.